a cold, a cough. A sore throat, a temperature. A headache, a backache. A toothache, sunburn. Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 38. In this lesson, we learn to talk about health. I hope you find it useful. Listen to the 3 short conversations, A to C. After each conversation, write the missing words. What's the matter?
I don't feel very well. I've got a bad cough.
Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
My back aches.
Ah, poor you. Are you feeling okay?
Not really. I think I have a cold.
I hope you feel better soon. You can use these expressions to show sympathy when someone is ill. Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that. Poor you, how awful. I hope you feel better soon. Listen to these 6 people tell you about a health problem. Pause the video and reply to each person, showing sympathy. Write your reply. I walked home last night in the rain and now I have a really bad cold. Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that. I've got a terrible cough and I think it's getting worse. Poor you, how awful. Sorry, I can't play tennis tomorrow. I have terrible backache. I hope you feel better soon. I spent too much time outside yesterday, and now I've got sunburn. Oh dear, how awful. I don't feel very well. I think I have a temperature. Oh dear, poor you. I don't know why, but I've got a bad sore throat this morning. Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that. Look at the pictures. Imagine you're at the chemist and you have these health problems. Ask for medication. Excuse me, have you got something for toothache? What have you got for a headache? Have you got something for sunburn? What have you got for a cough? Have you got something for a cold? That's all for this lesson. Make sure you do all the exercises. Learning English is about practice. Practice speaking and practice listening. This way, you will gradually be able to understand English and talk to people. See you in lesson 39. Bye-bye.